Today I am reviewing the eufy C28 2026 new robot vacuum and mop combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When robot vacuums first hit the market, they were basically just glorified automated dusters. They could wander around your living room, occasionally pick up loose crumbs, and that was about it. Then came the hybrid vacuum and mop era. But let's be totally honest. Most of those early models simply dragged a damp microfiber cloth across your hard floors, effectively spreading the dirt around instead of actually cleaning it up. However, the technology has officially evolved. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a massive technological leap forward, the newly released eufy Omni C28. Touted as a major upgrade from the highly rated X10 Pro Omni. This machine is turning heads with a mind-boggling 15,000 pascals of suction power, a revolutionary real-time, self-cleaning roller mop, and a heavy-duty, hands-free base station. Let's break down exactly what this premium machine brings to your home and see if it truly lives up to the hype. To truly understand what makes the eufy C28 a game-changer, we have to look directly at its innovative mopping mechanism. Most automated cleaners on the market right now utilize two dual spinning pads that remain under the vacuum during its entire run. The major flaw with that design is that as the robot picks up sticky spills or mud, those pads become saturated with grime, and the machine ends up wiping dirty residue right back onto your clean tile or hardwood. eufy completely solves this problem with its brand new HydroJet Self-Cleaning Roller Mop. Instead of flat pads, the C28 uses a full-width, 28-centimeter plush roller mop. As the robot moves across your home, 24 integrated water ports continuously spray fresh, clean water onto the roller, while it spins at a blistering 270 rotations per minute. That is a staggering 9 times every single second. Simultaneously, a built-in internal scraper firmly squeezes out the dirty water and debris, channeling it directly into an isolated internal wastewater tank inside the robot. This means the C28 is constantly scrubbing your floors with a fresh, clean surface, effortlessly dissolving tough pet paw prints, dried kitchen spills, and sticky messes without leaving behind ugly streaks or redepositing old dirt. While the mopping system is incredibly impressive, the vacuuming performance is equally terrifying for dust and dirt. The C28 pumps out a massive 15,000 pascals of turbo suction power. To put that into perspective, that is nearly double the suction capacity of most mid-tier robot vacuums on the market. When the C28 glides from your kitchen hardwood onto your living room carpets, its undercarriage sensors automatically detect the change in floor material. It instantly cranks up the motor to maximum turbo suction, reaching deep down into the fiber carpet matrix to pull out embedded sand, kibble crumbs, fine dust, and deeply trapped pet dander. But what good is 15,000 pascals of suction if the main brush roll immediately gets strangled by hair? Anyone with long-haired pets or family members knows the sheer frustration of having to flip a robot vacuum over every single week just to cut away tightly wrapped hair tangles with a pair of scissors. eufy tackles this head-on with their newly designed DuoSpiral Detangle Brush. This specialized brush geometry is specifically engineered to route hair efficiently toward the vacuum inlet. In independent testing, this mechanism successfully processed human hair up to 30 centimeters long, that is nearly 12 inches, and thick golden retriever fur across consecutive cleaning cycles without a single strand getting wrapped or tangled around the roller. The fur simply vanishes directly into the dust bin, giving you a completely clog-free, zero-maintenance experience. Of course, the absolute best part of owning a premium robot vacuum is not having to think about daily cleaning. And the C28 takes this automation to a whole new level with its 5-in-1 All-in-One Omni Station. This massive dock completely handles 95% of the physical maintenance for up to 75 days at a time. The moment the robot finishes its cleaning run and parks inside the dock, the station forcefully auto-empties the robot's dustbin into a large, 3-liter sealed allergen bag. Next, it drains the dirty wastewater tank on the robot and completely refills its freshwater reservoir. It then launches into an automated deep clean cycle, actively washing the plush HydroJet roller mop with clean water. Once washed, The station engages a 50-degree Celsius hot air drying system. This heated drying cycle is a massive feature because it completely blows away residual moisture, preventing the growth of nasty mold, bacteria, and those sour, wet dog odors from ever ruining your living space. When it comes to intelligence, eufy made a highly deliberate design choice that will make privacy-conscious homeowners incredibly happy. Instead of utilizing standard front-facing RGB cameras that take video recordings of your home layout, the C28 relies entirely on an advanced, privacy-safe laser line and LiDAR navigation system. This smart iPath 2.0 setup maps your entire home with absolute precision, allowing the vacuum to navigate efficiently day or night, even in complete darkness. It easily detects and steers safely around everyday household obstacles like loose toys, misplaced shoes, and pet bowls. Furthermore, if you have low-pile area rugs scattered around your hard floors, the C28 will instantly detect them and automatically lift its wet roller mop 10.8 mm straight up into the chassis. This allows the robot to seamlessly transition from deep scrubbing your hard floors to dry vacuuming your carpets without transferring a single drop of moisture to your rugs. In conclusion, the 2026 eufy Omni C28 sets a bold new standard for what a robot vacuum and mop combo should be. By combining a true real-time self-cleaning roller mop with a massive 15,000 pascals of suction power, it bridges the gap between deep industrial floor washing and high-speed carpet vacuuming. When you layer on the highly intelligent DuoSpiral Detangling Brush, privacy-focused laser navigation, and an all-inclusive hot air drying dock, it becomes incredibly clear that this machine is an absolute home run. If you're looking to truly outsource your daily floor chores and want a reliably spotless home without the weekly maintenance headaches, the eufy Omni C28 earns an enthusiastic, top-tier recommendation.